Instead of just recording, editing, uploading, and sitting back waiting for ad revenue, why not utilize the other benefit that this platform actually offer you to make way more money than you actually make as a content creator? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 skills that you should learn as a content creator that can actually help you make way more money than you actually make from this system. And the benefit of learning these skills is that what? Number one, they'll help make your content creation work very easy, and at the same time also help you make way more money on the side with those particular skills. So with this already said, and without taking much of your time, hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, I basically focus on how you and I can actually make money online through content creation and other online make money ideas. So if you find this sort of content helpful, kindly help me smash that subscribe button, like this video, and also drop a comment for me down in the comment section. Now with this already said, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you these 5 skills that you need as a content creator to actually help make your work easier and at the same time even make you way more money on the side. So let's get straight to business. So the first skill you need to learn as a content creator to actually make way more money off this platform and at the same time make your work easier is simply video editing. As a content creator, we all know that video editing is very important when it comes to your working arsenal, because if you know how to edit video yourself, you won't have to pay someone outside to actually edit your videos. So basically for me, I record my videos myself, do the editing, every single thing by myself, and that actually saved me the cost of paying someone to edit videos for me. Now as a content creator, learning video editing, learn the basics of video editing can actually help you edit videos for your channel, upload it, and then make money through ad revenue. But then this same video editing, if you decide to advance it a little bit by learning more advanced models of video editing, getting to know more about video editing, it can actually make you way more money than YouTube itself is actually paying you, or whatever platform that you publish your content. So if you're a content creator out there, I believe you're possibly watching this video right now, instead of you just recording your videos and sitting back and waiting for these pennies from these social media platforms, I will advise you to actually learn more about video editing, probably just advance your knowledge on video editing. And in case you don't have an idea yet, you can just try to get an idea and then start advancing your level in video editing and offer video editing services as a content creator as well and get to make way more money. So personally for me, on this channel, I always say it in all my videos that I offer video editing services, graphic designing, and a lot of that. Now these services that I basically offer doesn't mean that the channel doesn't pay me. Like I generate a good revenue from the YouTube ad revenue system, which is quite okay for me. But then I'm not here to be okay. I'm here to get in excess. So for that reason, I had to advance my knowledge, learn about these other side skills that are very important as a content creator. That also makes my work way more easier, and at the same time, I use them to make money on the side. So the first skill you need to learn as a content creator out there to help make your work easier and at the same time make more money is simply learn video editing. Now the next thing you need to learn as a content creator to actually make way more money than you actually make currently is basically learn the system algorithm. Now what I mean by learn the system algorithm is simply learn YouTube, Facebook, or whatever social media platform that you are actually getting your most engagement on or you are really growing fast on. Learn their algorithm system and then offer services as well. So for me particularly, I learned the YouTube SEO system. So basically when it comes over to YouTube, you can go look at my other social media platform. I'm not really, like when it comes to Instagram, Facebook, and the rest, because my videos don't really hit more engagement there. But then the other people's social media project that I'm handling are really doing well on those particular platforms. But for me personally, my content are not really hitting it up well in those other platforms. So what I did was that I noticed that for my own category, YouTube was delivering more. So I learned about YouTube SEO. So for this one, I can offer YouTube SEO services such as offering or helping people optimize their YouTube videos, helping businesses optimize their YouTube social media handles, telling them the right approach to use if they really want to grow on YouTube, telling them what to do if they want to get views and all of this. So you as well, if YouTube is your best platform, one thing I advise to do is that learn about the YouTube SEO system, and when you're trying to start growing, getting consistent engagement, you can also start offering services around YouTube SEO and making money from it as well. Now the best part is that you don't just have to offer services alone to actually make money with this skill. Even with the video editing skill, you can also offer mentorships. Like for me now, I offer video editing mentorships on various feeds, because when it comes to video editing, we have different kinds of video editors. So we have those who edit music videos, movies, social media posts, business this and all of that. So basically, I do offer mentorship around some, but I don't edit music video or movies. Apart from movies and music videos, I edit any other thing. Mostly social media posts. I'm very strong with those ones. So basically, I also advise you to actually learn more about your system SEO. So if you are growing well on TikTok, learn about the TikTok system. Take note of the things that you are doing that are actually helping you grow way faster on TikTok, and then implement them over and over again. And when your channel starts picking and getting real-time engagement, you can start offering mentorship on how people can also grow on that platform or get more followers and a lot of that, and basically also teach them how they can do it themselves as well. So that is the second one on our list here when it comes to skills that you should learn as a content creator to actually help you grow faster and at the same time make way more money from the system. Now the third one on my list is simply learn graphic designing. Yeah, when I say graphic designing, you will be like, what do I need graphic designing for as a content creator? Now, as a content creator, you need graphic designing in different ways. One of them, you need these graphics to actually, for your YouTube thumbnails, you need to have an idea of graphic design to be able to edit a good YouTube thumbnail. You see? So meaning that what? Once you are learning this graphic designing skill, you are also making your content creation work easier. Like at a point when I was doing my YouTube videos, I was actually paying someone to help me edit my thumbnail before I later switched to myself. The reason why I switched to myself was that, well, the beginning, my thumbnails weren't really that good. And then there was this latest fashion of trending thumbnails with highlighting and all of those ones. There were things I couldn't do myself back then. So basically what I did, I paid someone to do the editing whilst I was learning how to do it. So after a month period, because I already have an idea of graphic designing, I was already good at working with most platforms like Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator, and then CorelDRAW. So I was already good with those platforms. So basically for 1 month period, I was just paying someone to get my thumbnails ready. If you go through my YouTube channel right now, you notice the difference in the thumbnail from what the person designed and what I designed myself. So currently, I'm the one designing them myself. So basically, within that 1 month period of time, I got good at it, and then I stopped paying someone to do it. So I started doing it myself. You see that what? It saved me cost of paying someone trying to match the system, and at the same time, what I can also offer thumbnail designing services or mentorship on how people can actually design their thumbnails. Because when it comes to designing thumbnails, if I show you the actual images I took before converting them to those caching images you see on my thumbnail, you will be really surprised with the difference in quality. So basically, I would advise to learn a little bit of graphic designing or probably advance it, and they offer graphic designing services, mentorship, or probably video editing, or probably use them to also help grow your channel as well. Because even if you want to promote your channel on social media such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then LinkedIn, all those other social media platforms, you need graphics. So once in a while, you might need to create infographics or these carousel posts. So the only way you can do that is basically having an idea of graphic designing. So I advise to learn graphic designing as a content creator out there. So basically, every single skill that I have on my list right now, I think I personally do for myself. Don't be surprised. So personally, I do most of this one, so I'm not really surprised. But then the honest truth is that it took me years to be able to get all of this. So since I've been learning most of these things since 2019, 2020, coming down to 2025 that we currently are. So basically, I did not learn all of them in one day. But the benefit was that the time I put in there is actually paying off now. So that is the third one on my list, is simply learn graphic designing. Now, the fourth thing on my list that you need to learn as a content creator is basically learn about social media management. You are already in the game. You already have your Instagram profile, you have your Facebook page, you have your X handle, you have your LinkedIn, you have your Pinterest and co. So basically, you are already working with these social media platforms. So one thing you can do is simply learn a little bit deeper into these platforms and become a social media manager. So as a social media manager, all you basically do is that you reach out to companies that are actually looking for people to help handle their social media platforms, such as designing graphics for them, doing some little video editing about their business and posting it, or basically doing some mini works on their social media profile, just as you basically do to grow your profile. That's exactly what they need as well. So once you learn about this skill, you can also promote them on your channel, because you don't know who is watching your videos. So for me particularly, on this channel, I'm going to 18,000 subscribers. As of when I was recording this video, I already have about 17,670 something subscribers already, meaning that I don't even know who is subscribed to my channel. I don't know who is watching my videos. I don't know where they are from. But I clearly remember a few years back, I was the only one watching my videos. So basically, once you learn about these platforms, you don't know who is watching your videos. So whenever you create content, you can just give a shout out to your services. Like in all my videos, I always make it clear that I offer graphic designing services, video editing, and website development services. But I don't do coding. I can build any sort of website. However, I use CMS platforms like WordPress and the rest to actually build up the website. I don't do coding from scratch. So basically, there are so many things that you need to learn as a content creator if you really want to make more money from the system, because the system is highly saturated and ad revenue doesn't it's not that bad. So if you are on YouTube here, ad revenue is not bad. I'm going to be honest with you, it's way better than Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and the rest platform. But one advantage of actually growing those other platforms as a content creator is that, well, when you get a sponsorship deal, you have enough in your arsenal to actually help increase your price. Like for example, if I'm charging a company for a sponsorship deal for this particular channel right now, my other social media channels aren't that big, because when I started off at first, I didn't really pay attention to them. It's recently that I started working on my Instagram. If you go and check my Instagram, you see that it's recently that I started posting reels actively. If you go over to my LinkedIn, you see that it's recently I started posting reels and then other informative content actively. You go over to my Facebook, also the same thing. So it's now that I'm gradually building up those platforms, unlike my YouTube. But then if I had focused on this platform when I got started at first before, and I get to build all of them, and then they all get to same level as my YouTube channel before, it will be a total different scenario. Because if I'm offering a sponsorship deal, because I'm surely going to post the video across all my social media platform, meaning that what, I have 17,000 subscribers here, I have 17,000 on my IG, 17,000 on my Facebook. You don't expect me to charge the same amount. The amount will be way higher. So basically, as a content creator, so learn about social media management and other skills that can actually help you grow your handles and make way more money as a content creator. So some of my videos are basically talk videos, so I do reach out to other informative aspects that you will need to help you grow as well. So guys, the final one here is simply learn affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing as a content creator is already made more easier, because to get started with affiliate marketing and make money, the first thing you need is actually audience. Now as a content creator, you already have this audience. You've created content around a particular topic that has given you this audience. So one thing you can do for yourself to actually generate more revenue, simply look for a product that is related to whatever video you are recording and then recommend it to these particular people. Like for me now, I recommend web hosting platforms, I recommend email marketing platforms, and I recommend I talk about AI a lot on this channel, so I recommend other books and things that has to do with AI and a lot of that. So basically, get into affiliate marketing and make money, because if you make a video today and put your affiliate link in it today, provided that you let people know that you have an affiliate link in the video description or in the comment section, people will always be there. And then whenever someone is interested in it and is watching the video and then hear you mention that particular service or product, and then they realize that they actually need this service or product, they have no option but to click on your link and then go purchase it. So whenever they purchase it, it doesn't matter when you upload a video, you will always receive your commission. So guys, that's all I have for you in this video. These are 5 important skills that you need as a content creator out there to actually make way more money from the system than you actually do. That's why at times when we make videos saying that we make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 off a small channel with less subscribers, a lot of you think that we are fully relying on ad revenue. But the truth is that we are not really relying on ad revenue fully. Like on this channel, I make money through mentorship. Yeah, I'm going to be open with you. I make money through offering my services. I make money through the ads that I'm actually displaying on my videos, and finally I make money through affiliate marketing. So I have 4 different ways of actually monetizing a single channel, which basically means that, and I also get sponsorship deals as well that I can't forget over that. So that's 5 solid ways of actually making money from a single channel. And you think making $3,000 to $5,000 every single month is a big deal, then you have to rethink that. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.